So today I went to the Apple store and I picked up one of these, the new Series 7 Apple Watch. This is the stainless steel model with a Milanese loop band, which I already have one of those. So if you guys are interested, I thought about it'd be fun to do a giveaway. So I'm not gonna open that in this video, but let's go ahead and get this open and take a look at it. And I also have my Series 6 that we can kind of do a little bit of comparison to as well. So pretty simple here. Pop those open. I like the colors that they do. They've done this the last few years now, and it just looks really good. So here's the Milanese loop band. Like I said, giveaway. Stay tuned for all the info on that towards the end of this video. But yeah, I mean, it's a great band. I just already have one. So stay tuned. I'll give you all the info on how to enter. Now let's open it up. Ooh. Still doing the paper on there. And you got your paperwork. I was curious to see what they did with this. So now they started making it aluminum instead of plastic. But on the stainless models and on the titanium models, you would actually get a stainless steel one. So it is now USB-C. So that's awesome. That's what you need for the fast charging. And it's aluminum. So now no matter which one you get, which watch you get, the charging mechanism is going to be the same. It's a lot lighter than the stainless steel model as well, so that's good. Alrighty, here's the watch. You guys ready? Oh, I love stainless steel. It looks so good. So there's that little paper sleeve, and there it is. It is already turning on. There we go. But look, when this is brand new, it shines like no other. But eventually it's gonna get scratched up because that's just what stainless steel does. It gets scratched up. But overall, I still love this band. I love the look of it. It looks amazing. So all right, so now I'm gonna get this paired up and then we'll be right back. It's all set up now. It's looking pretty good. Like, it is kind of crazy. There's not that big of a difference. The screen size, you can tell. Like, I mean, it gives you a little, everything's just a little bit bigger. It's not that much bigger, but overall, so what do you get, just in case you're not sure, what do you get from the Series 7 from a Series 6? So the things you get is the larger screen size. It's 20% less bezels, basically. The screen itself is a lot harder to crack. It's more resistant. You get the dust proofness, so it's already been swim proof, but now it's also dust proof and probably sand or whatever can't get in there as easily. And you also get a brighter screen when it's not on. So if you didn't know, Series 5, 6, and 7 have this always on screen. Now it's just a little bit brighter when it's on that mode. For most people, this probably isn't worth an upgrade, but for me, the Apple Watch is hands down my favorite device. I love this thing and it's just completely awesome. So I upgrade every year, no matter what. I think next year is probably going to be a bigger upgrade. So if you want to wait for a bigger upgrade, you're probably going to get that next year. But overall, this bigger screen looks great. The watch itself looks amazing and I am very happy with it. It seems to be that it might be just a tad bit larger than the Series 6. It feels great on the wrist. It looks great. And it's also got a couple new watch faces. There's one called Contour, which has the time all around the edges and it kind of just increases, but you can like move the dial just to kind of make it dance a little bit or something. But overall, nice little watch face. But the one that I really like is this Modular Duo. And what that does, it gives you 2 of those large complications. I'm probably gonna do like my to-do and the weather on this because I think it'll look really cool together. Oh, and then also you do have the full keyboard support. When you're going to send a message or type something out, you can actually swipe around or type. So far in my experience, it works okay. It's pretty good at predicting, but at the same time, like text-to-speech is just what I've been using since the very beginning, and that's worked really well. And I'll probably just stick with that because I'm so used to it. I love the stainless steel. It looks amazing. If you're gonna get one, highly recommend the stainless steel model. It goes with more bands than any other one. and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Even though it will scratch, it still looks great. And if you're interested in the giveaway on this band, I got it right here. I'm gonna keep it packaged up. It's the 45mm Milanese loop. It's a great band. I just already have one, but this was the only way I could get the watch early enough. So I'm gonna be giving that away. Well, all you have to do, hit the thumbs up. Once this video hits 200 likes, I will be going through the comments down below. Leave your Instagram handle. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. My account there is the applebias. I'll put a link down below there as well. And then I'll be picking a winner for this. And good luck. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next one. God bless.